Ford Pinto. In 2004, Forbes magazine recognized this car as the worst model of all time. The Pinto was sold from 1970 to 1980 and is still associated with the notion of engineering incompetence. In this car, all production costs were reduced to the maximum. They reduced the cost of everything that was possible, removed everything without which it could go. They even wanted to put two comfortable stools instead of the rear seat, but then changed their minds. This car was sold for only $1,850, even the power steering included in the additional option. The maximum reduction in the cost of the design made it unsafe for the driver and others. Particular attention was drawn to the fuel tank, located at the rear of the model. If someone crashed into this point, then the owner of the Pinto could explode. Therefore, if the driver in this car braked sharply, saving the kitten's life, he acted very nobly, since at that moment he risked his own life. Because of such jokes, Ford had to do more research and prove to auto critics that such a body structure does not make the car more dangerous than other cars in this class, but the reputation was still badly damaged by these disputes. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration pressured Ford to recall the Pinto, citing public outcry, but there was no significant evidence that the cars needed to be recalled due to fire incidents. They burned no more than other cars in the overall statistics of road accidents. In 1978, Ford initiated a Pinto recall for dealers to install plastic skid plates, one between the fuel tank and differential bolts, and another to prevent contact between the right rear shock absorber and the new fuel filler neck, which was deeper into the tank and was more resistant to breakage when struck from behind. If we take general statistics, the number of Ford Pintos produced, which is over 2 million copies, and the number of fire cases, this is not the worst indicator. The car was no more prone to fire than other cars of that time. In general, the controversy did not subside for a long time about the design features of the car, but whatever one may say, the car was placed on the list of the worst cars in history in 2004.